Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It has been a while, but today I wanted to come on and show you guys just briefly what I'm doing today. I am actually about to make and can some strawberry jam, and I just want to take you guys along with me on the process. This is my first time canning. I kind of stumbled upon it when I found Homestead Heart and Lead Farmer 73 on YouTube, and they have inspired me to start canning. So I thought I would start off with Homestead Heart's strawberry jam video recipe. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and let me show you my ingredients. So if you're interested, stay tuned and see how we get this done. So I have washed and chopped up 6 pounds of strawberries in this bowl. I have Homestead Heart here. I'm going to be going step by step with her. I got my sugar, lemon juice, and 2 Granny Smith apples that I'm going to be adding to the strawberries. So, and I got my canning pot going and my lids going. They're both heating up now. So I'm going to crush up these strawberries, and then I'm going to add the apple to it, and then I'll come back and show you guys what's next. Stay tuned. Alright, so I have mashed up all of the strawberries, and now I'm going to be adding the diced apple to this. I've already diced one, and I have one more to go. So I got to dice this one up. And then I'm going to be adding this to the strawberries, and then 6 cups of sugar. I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have moved my strawberry and apple and sugar mixture, and lemon juice is in here too. I did 6 pounds of strawberries. I mashed mine with my hands. I chopped up 2 green apples finely, 6 cups of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I have it on a medium-high heat, and I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and then we'll start the canning process. So that's that. Got my lids simmering. Got my my jars are ready to go, and now we wait. I will be back. Oh, geez. Okay, I am done with my jam. I'm so excited. I'm about to take it out of the hot water bath right now. So let's take a look. Okay, so I'm going to take them out of the hot water bath. Y'all, I'm so trying to do this with one hand. So, bear with me. No wonder I had it upside down. Okay, let's try that again. Let's start on the outside. Okay, I got it. Look how pretty. Okay, I'm gonna sit in here. Towel. Let's get the rest of them out. It probably would have been smart of me to lift the rack, but yeah, I didn't do that. Hold your mule. I'll be back. Okay, so I lifted the rack out to make it easier for me to get these out of the pot. I'm just gonna sit them on the counter. Okay, let's find another one. This is not as easy as she makes it look in the video. Ooh. And that is the last one. So this is the finished product. These are 8-ounce jars. Look at this. I think you see they're already sealing. You hear that? Wow, I just made 12 jars of strawberry jam. This is amazing. Get into it. Look at that. Get into it. Beautiful. And to think, I've had this for years and we always made seafood with it. I never knew that it was for canning. So I guess I found me a new hobby. Look at that. And they're already sealing. Do you hear that popping? That means that they're sealing. So I guess I did it right. So that was my first attempt at canning. I made strawberry jam. I think I'm gonna make some peach jam maybe tomorrow or the weekend because I have some peaches that I want to use up and this is a perfect way to do it. So thank you so much. Shout out to Homestead Heart because I literally followed her video step by step. It was very helpful. It was very easy to do. I'm not as skilled as she is, so I kind of made a little bit of a mess. Had to make some adjustments with my pot because it was bubbling over, so I had to do another pot. A mess, but I got it done. I got it done, and I'm so happy with the results, and I will definitely be doing more canning. And maybe I'll pop in and do videos as well. But thank you guys for joining. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to like, thumbs up, and subscribe to see what else I have in store. Hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. So here are my finished results again. If you're interested in doing your own canning, I would definitely recommend Homestead Heart on YouTube. Her videos are very detailed. She explains everything step by step. I follow her video while doing my process of canning, and I am pleased with my results. So if you're interested in doing this on your own, definitely go check out her channel. I will try my best to put the link to her channel in the description below.